The great white shark. A name that evokes both fear and fascination. Known for its sheer size and power, the great white shark is one of the most formidable creatures in the ocean. This magnificent creature, with its sleek, torpedo-shaped body, can grow to over 20 feet long. Weighing up to 5,000 pounds, it is a true giant of the sea. Its powerful tail propels it through the water with incredible speed, while its iconic dorsal fin slices through the surface, often the first sign of its presence. Great whites are apex predators, meaning they sit atop the food chain, playing a crucial role in maintaining the balance of ocean ecosystems. They help control the populations of other marine species, ensuring a healthy and diverse ocean environment. These sharks possess a keen sense of smell and electroreception, allowing them to detect prey from great distances. They can sense the faintest electrical signals emitted by other animals, making them highly efficient hunters. Their jaws are lined with rows of serrated teeth, capable of delivering a powerful bite. These teeth are designed to tear through flesh and bone, making the great white an incredibly effective predator. Despite their fearsome reputation, great white sharks are intelligent animals with complex behaviors that continue to intrigue scientists. They exhibit curiosity, social interactions, and even problem-solving abilities, challenging our understanding of these remarkable creatures. Great white sharks are found in cool, coastal waters around the world. They prefer temperatures between 12 and 24 degrees Celsius or 54 to 75 degrees Fahrenheit. Their range extends across vast areas of the Atlantic, Pacific, and Indian Oceans. They are commonly found off the coasts of South Africa, Australia, California, and Mexico. These sharks are highly migratory, often traveling thousands of miles in search of food and suitable breeding grounds. Their movements are influenced by factors such as water temperature, prey availability, and breeding cycles. While they primarily inhabit coastal regions, they have been known to venture into deeper, open ocean environments. The waters surrounding the British Isles are significantly colder than the preferred habitats of great white sharks. The average sea temperature around the UK ranges from 6 to 12 degrees Celsius or 43 to 54 degrees Fahrenheit. This cooler temperature regime raises questions about the suitability of these waters for a species known to favour warmer environments. However, the Gulf Stream, a warm current originating in the Gulf of Mexico, flows northeast across the Atlantic, bringing warmer water to the western shores of the UK. This influx of warmer water creates a temperature gradient, with slightly warmer temperatures found along the western coast compared to the cooler east coast. Despite the cooler waters, there have been numerous reports of great white shark sightings around the UK over the years. These reports range from anecdotal accounts from fishermen to blurry photographs and videos. While some sightings are undoubtedly misidentifications of other shark species such as basking sharks or porbeagle sharks, others remain intriguing and unexplained. One of the most famous alleged sightings occurred in 1977, when a fisherman claimed to have observed a large great white shark off the coast of Cornwall. While no photographic evidence exists, the fisherman's detailed account and the subsequent media attention fueled speculation about the presence of these apex predators in British waters. Section 5. Expert opinions separating fact from fiction. In this section, we delve into the ongoing debate among scientists and marine biologists about the presence of great white sharks in UK waters. The scientific community remains divided on the likelihood of a resident population of great white sharks inhabiting UK waters. This debate has sparked numerous studies and discussions, each presenting compelling arguments. Some experts argue that the occasional presence of these sharks is plausible given their migratory nature and the warming influence of the Gulf Stream. They suggest that the Gulf Stream could create a suitable environment for these apex predators, allowing them to venture further north than previously thought. They point to the increasing number of sightings and the potential for these sharks to expand their range in response to changing ocean conditions. These sightings have been documented by divers and fishermen, adding to the growing body of anecdotal evidence. Other experts remain skeptical, citing the lack of concrete evidence, such as tagged sharks or confirmed bite marks. They emphasize the importance of scientific data and rigorous research to substantiate any claims of a resident population. They argue that the cooler water temperatures and the limited availability of their preferred prey make it unlikely for great whites to establish a permanent presence in UK waters. These experts believe that while occasional visits may occur, the environmental conditions are not conducive to a stable population. The debate continues as researchers gather more data and refine their understanding of great white shark behavior and habitat preferences. As our knowledge of the ocean and its inhabitants grows, so too will our ability to separate fact from fiction in this fascinating topic. Section 6. The Gulf Stream, a warm water highway. The Gulf Stream plays a crucial role in influencing the marine environment around the UK. This warm current brings not only warmer water but also a diverse array of marine life. It is possible that great white sharks, following their preferred prey, could be drawn into UK waters by the Gulf Stream. As the Gulf Stream flows northeast, it creates a thermal corridor that could allow great whites to venture further north than their usual range. However, it is important to note that the Gulf Stream's influence weakens as it moves north, and the water temperatures around the UK remain significantly cooler than the shark's preferred habitat. Section 7. Prey availability following the food chain. Great white sharks are opportunistic feeders, primarily preying on marine mammals such as seals, sea lions, and dolphins. These apex predators have evolved to take advantage of the most nutritious and energy-rich food sources available in their environment. The availability of suitable prey is a crucial factor influencing their distribution and movements. Sharks are known to travel vast distances in search of food, often following migratory patterns of their prey. While the waters around the UK support a variety of marine mammals, including seals, harbour porpoises, and dolphins, their abundance and distribution may not be sufficient to sustain a resident population of great white sharks. The dynamic nature of marine ecosystems means that prey populations can fluctuate, impacting the presence of predators. The seasonal fluctuations in prey abundance could also play a role. During certain times of the year, prey species may become more concentrated in specific areas, attracting predators like great white sharks. For example, grey seals, a preferred prey item for great whites, congregate in large numbers on UK shores during the autumn breeding season. This seasonal gathering provides a temporary but significant food source for sharks. This influx of prey could potentially attract opportunistic sharks to the area. However, the presence of great white sharks in UK waters remains a topic of ongoing research and debate among marine biologists. Understanding the complex interactions between predators and prey is essential for conserving marine biodiversity and managing shark populations effectively. Section 8. The future of great whites in the UK. As climate change continues to impact ocean temperatures and currents, it is possible that the distribution and movements of great white sharks could be affected. Warming waters and shifting prey availability could potentially lead to an increase in sightings or even the establishment of a more permanent presence in UK waters. However, it is important to emphasize that this is a complex issue with many unknowns. Further research and monitoring are needed to fully understand the potential impacts of climate change on great white shark behavior and distribution. A Section 9 conclusion, a matter of probability. While the presence of a resident population of great white sharks in UK waters remains unconfirmed, the possibility cannot be entirely ruled out. The occasional presence of these sharks, drawn by the Gulf Stream or seasonal prey aggregations, is plausible. However, the cooler water temperatures and the limited availability of their preferred prey make it unlikely for them to establish a permanent presence. The debate surrounding great white sharks in the UK highlights the vastness and mystery of our oceans. As we continue to explore and understand these complex ecosystems, we may yet uncover more surprises about the creatures that inhabit them. Section 10. A note on conservation. It is important to remember that great white sharks are a vulnerable species facing numerous threats, including overfishing, habitat loss, and entanglement in fishing gear. Regardless of their presence in UK waters, these magnificent creatures deserve our utmost respect and protection. By supporting conservation efforts and promoting responsible ocean stewardship, we can help ensure the survival of these apex predators for generations to come.